Hey everyone, I have everything put together off to the side for 13 through 16 for my Finding Joy in July. I am using, once again, an Everyday Explorer's little notebook, and then using my Allie Edwards stash, both physical and digital. So for the 13th, I just did a 5 things. I think this is the second time I've done this in this project, and I really like the idea of continuing just sprinkling in throughout this notebook a photo list day where there's just 5 things. And for the right side, I did a quote card and then a photo of me getting dressed. It may seem like totally silly or mundane, but I'm sure you guys can probably relate. Just getting dressed is awesome lately and just a big occasion, basically, just to put on regular clothes instead of like home clothes or workout clothes. So I had to document that because I took care of myself and I made sure I got dressed, took a shower after my workout, and was ready for the day. I added in 2 of my cork butterflies. They were the last ones I had in my stash. It's going to make the notebook really chunky, but I don't care. I wanted to use them up. I don't have a Allie Edwards butterfly stamp, so I used a Cocoa Daisy butterfly stamp. That way I could continue the theme of butterflies, and I also added in the green stars, and then I will just journal about the 5 things that are bringing me joy. I wrote down Jane the Virgin, the Ed Sheeran song Bad Habits, and then an awesome workout, and just working on my June Everyday Explorers Life Right Now project has brought me joy, including this project, of course. And then I will document what I did to take care of myself, just talking about how my kids are back at camp, and I'm so thankful to have some time to myself and just kind of reset, and that way I can keep going for the long summer days at home, and also how I made sure that I got dressed. It's huge to get dressed and actually put on makeup, right? I'm going to finish up this little spread right here with stamping and then filling in the I feel, and then moving on to the next page where I'm going to document my kids going off to camp. And since it was the 15th and I had a transparency that said 15, I of course have to use that. And then the right hand side is going to be some library books. I think both of these photos were actually on the 15th, but you know what? I said I had to document my stack of books. And it's my project, so I can make the book photo be for 16. That's just how it goes. So I have the photo of them in front of the garage, and then I stapled the 15 and then adhered it down, and I also pulled 2 chipboards from the older book collection, and then I'll just peel off a piece of that in a little while to adhere it down. I'm going to stamp currently and loving, and then fussy cut those out and add those in. This little spread out of all the spreads has a lot of pieces, a lot going on, and I'm totally okay with that. I just had a lot of fun adding in all kinds of bits and pieces. Above that book photo I have currently, and then I messed up the adhesive a little, so I'm going to grab some word stickers later on and add those in as well, since I didn't really want to stamp something else. I thought, why not just add in some stickers? Let's just add in everything. Stamped phrases, chipboards, my die cut stars, and then some word stickers. Why not? Also did some repeat stamping of 2 little phrases, Life Right Now and Making Me Happy, which I think is from a very old August Stories by the Month stamp set. And then the word stickers that I picked was Gratitude and For Me. And of course, adding in the little black stars to tie everything together. And then I will stamp the days and add in my journaling. For the right side, of course, the joy is just getting a huge stack of books and loving reading. My kids love to read, and we love library days, so that makes me ridiculously happy. And then also my kids love camp and telling me all their awesome stories of camp. So there you go, 4 more pages of Finding Joy in July, and I hope that you enjoyed this process video. Have a good day. Bye.